Done family. Back in the music club, I want to know what they are with. You don't know another sick reaction. You already know what time it is. We about to, jumping on another sick reaction from an artist that's no stranger to the channel. You already know what time it is and what me at top, bro. You see me, that is no stranger to the channel. Mad track, hopefully. Like I always say, you see me. Today people were back in the music lab with the artist that's no stranger to the channel. Me talk about Malie Dan. Yeah man, apparently he dropped a song and a music video called V6 probably a day or two ago, probably a couple of days. You see me? Yeah, I'm a bit late, but you don't know, we're gonna react and see what's going on. We're gonna check it out. Malie Dan, really talented artist in the dancehall scene. You see me? Dope tracks out there like Vanilla Card, God Did. Enough songs the dog do. You see me I say? Yeah man, so we're gonna check it out. Today we're checking out Malie Dan V6, see what going on. You see me dog, you don't know Malie Dan full of style. One of the artists, newcomers and young dancehall artists out right now. You see me dog flow is very different. He got some very well put together songs, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, as I said, Vanilla Card, God Did, you got tunes out there, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's check out V6, see what go on. People, you know what time it is. Check, drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think. All that good stuff. So I jump right now, y'all. This is Malie Dan V6. Let's get it.
V6 man good. V6 man good. Yo,
yeah, man. I already like the sound of this already. You know what I'm saying? Yo, nice.
V6 man good. V6 panic toll and it can't stop. How I do it back past that. As she stepping at the piece, girl starts now. She broke it cocky so me I forget a cast for. He bang her dead, I wear the charger.
You see now man, this is mad dog. Tell us about Malie always have some song that's a vibe, you know. Something where you can bounce late night cruising type shit. You know what I'm saying? Even at the day type shit. You know what I'm saying? It's a vibe.
Did you love black so the flow sing smarter? She have to jump on a him drive charter. My girl foot no dirty cause she no mix smarter. And we know
girl foot no dirty cause she no mix smarter. She work a site dog. She's not a construction worker. You feel me? Girl looking half clean. Come here.
we hit pan karma we shot pussy hole from me go against the other. She want fuck with a star.
Look good to you know. Nah, what you mean man?
I'm a boss in her face so call my mascara. Bang.
What's in her face? Call me mascara.
We swap hotter than sauna. Me and me every beats and a little touch of Zara. She call my teeth.
Swag hotter than sauna. Me hearing your beats from Zana, from Zara.
She like my last name a Palmer. Girl tell me why you like love lesbian girls, but you know fuck like polo.
Straight up love lesbian girl, love that, you know I'm turning that. Where that I go? Come in.
Put them on it half white if my feeling sporty, my dash on a night. You a damn now hear you. One of my dope.
I feel sporty, me just on a night.
Can't fear you. That chip Glock you not fear you. My Glock has later than here go.
Easy now man. Chip Glock you not fear you. Rubabub. Be yourself yo. Damn to you.
Rest dolly just run the contact. Girl skin out your pussy make me fuck it from back. And I was in I'm a 30 grand back. And if your job won't tired, girl suck you and stop. Oh my head.
Easy. Yeah, boy, girl look you know. Hey.
Job won't feel tired so you can't speak. I fuck you because you want fuck artists. You know so a lifestyle reckless Andrew where you walk out with car seat. Girl bounce pan the body down.
Yo, you know so lifestyle reckless Andrew where I go with car seat, eh? So when I push a V6 pan the toll, tell about car seat, whether if y'all know that was in reference to the recent law they had in Jamaica where everybody had a car seat before they can include taxi drivers, which was crazy because public transportation could all have car seat and it wouldn't make sense for transportation providers. So they had repeated that law, but big up yourself, Malie. You know?
Call Greek, call me a daddy, call me, I know you're charging. Change up my tone, pan the line, and your father.
You know, man, call me a daddy, call me, I know you're charging. Easy yourself.
Feet done set, skull, you better send in my ass fees. V6 pan it to all road. Yeah, man, a V6 pan it to all road. A V6 pan it to all road. A V6 pan it to all. Yeah, yeah. Boss in a fuck now pop off that tag. Got them a dress up in a bombers and a call that swag. My gun sound like on my back that cash and known that's a full of pack a madman. Tap up a kiki that a welcome. Give me 10 grand weed pussy and no grand bag. You for we pull and I make a hang hang. Girl the pussy is a one room and no man.
Easy no, not a mansion. Your girl the pussy is a one room, not a mansion.
Mansion. V6 pan it to all road. A V6 pan it to all road. A V6 pan it to all road. A V6 pan it to all.
Scared. I mean,
we've helped millions of creators improve their SEO to grow their YouTube channels.
I mean, Malie done, dog, you did your thing, bro. Nice track, nice track. Yeah, man, rate the one the people. Let me know what y'all think about that one, cause I think the one they shot, you know. You see me, he did his thing on that one, boy. That was Malie done V6. Visual mad lyrics, the dog have some mad lyrics, some mad punchline in there. You see me, I'm buzzing me a mascara. You see what I say? Yo, Joey, I go and baby car seat. What? You see, we leave records out here. Up to you, be yourself. People tell me what was your favorite line. You know what I'm saying? Definitely go check out the artist. That's Malie Dan. Show him some love and support, guys. He's growing. He's very talented. Yeah, man. Got a lot of very put together songs. A lot of the songs are vibe. He definitely talented. He definitely know what he's doing. He got a very bright future in the music industry. You know what I'm saying? He got a very bright future in dancehall, music industry in the whole. You know what I'm saying? So definitely go check him out. Show him some love and support. Let me know that Jambisco send you. Let me know what y'all want to react to, and let me know what's your favorite part. Lyrics, video, the girl. You know what I'm saying? You're like, hey, let me know what's your favorite part. But lyrics, the melody, beat, whatever the favorite part, let me know. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know how y'all feel about the music. Let me know what y'all want me to react to next. I already know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco. Here and another hit and smashing out banger. We getting lit over here, man. Littest channel on YouTube, bro. Yeah, we're growing, taking it to the top. You already know what time it is. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.